Hey guys, Manny Vaya here, founder of 2000books.com, and in this video I'll give you 5 elements of deep work. And this idea comes from the book Deep Work by Cal Newport, who's a professor of computer science. And in my opinion, this is probably one of the greatest productivity books to have come out in the last few years. Okay, so what are these 5 elements of deep work? The first of it is large chunks of uninterrupted time. You've got to spend large chunks of uninterrupted time on what is important, on what is really going to move the needle in your business or for your project or whatever it is. The key here is uninterrupted, all right? So make sure you understand that part. The second key is that when you're doing deep work, you're working on something that is cognitively demanding. You're not doing shallow work. You're not checking email. You're not doing Facebook, all that stuff. That's not deep work. You're doing something that's truly cognitively demanding, and that is important because that's when you create high value work in this world. The third element of deep work is that when you do deep work, you'll be pushing at the edge of your mental capabilities. You'll be pushing the boundaries of your mental capabilities. This is the highest quality work you can do. This is the highest quality output you can get from your brain. So really powerful thing there. The fourth element of deep work is that it is highly focused, highly focused, no distractions allowed, completely focused on the task in hand. That is really crucial to deep work. The fifth element of deep work is that you create new value. That's almost the output of deep work. When you do deep work, you will create new value that is really hard to replicate in this world. So that is deep work. On the other hand is shallow work. Now, what is shallow work? Shallow work is what you get when you are being constantly interrupted by yourself or by the external world. You cannot do high quality work. You do not do anything that is new. You do not do anything that creates value in the society. You're just pushing around the papers. You're just pushing around email, doing meetings and stuff like that. You're not doing high quality work. You're not creating high quality output. That's the key you have to understand. Deep work is where you create high quality work in this world. Whether you're a programmer, whether you're an entrepreneur, whatever it is, you only create value when you're doing deep work. And I'm giving away 5 free copies of this book. If you want to win, all you need to do is go to 2000books.com/deep or click on the link below or click on the I button in the top right corner of your screen.